guys, welcome back, Cream Bar, back again on a reaction video. There the boy
Marco D.
Guys, today I'm gonna introduce him to one of my favorite girls. They met me from the UK. You don't know who that? Not Teflon that, you know. Lady Leshurr. You see me? Him don't know who, yo. Him don't know who is Lady Leshurr. You see me? Just like how me never know about her, him gonna find out about her. You see me?
So she have now.
I'm gonna see what she have, see what she did. You don't know how me feel about her already. You don't know if she are the princess for me. And Teflon that the queen. You see me? I don't know the thing already, but not talk too long.
I see them right.
Alright, what? Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell to end down my post. You get the video, you see me? Because sometimes YouTube I messed up. More make sure to get the video, you see me? So begin.
Come and say she golden. Come in.
No.
Yeah.
Listen to her and a dog.
They don't want it with the cream, man.
Alright, P, brand new video.
All these porcupines, why am I not surprised? Who got the V broken on Valentine's? Look me in the eyes and tell me that is lies. But you won't, cause you already know that you're a joke and you're broke. You ain't got enough dough to be involved. You get trap, mute it. Head stuck on football, boot it. I don't know why you really wanna do this, but R.I.P. to your music. Way too up, no peace, no usage. You're a little bag, beggars from choosers. Hitting with a new thing, call it exclusive. Don't need back in, I could do it in acoustic.
Yo, shots, yo, dog, over tell you, dog.
Yo,
shots, hit it already.
No violence.
You play about yo, play about that dog, I'll tell you what.
I got that
play about that dog. Will that be called for the birthday?
No.
Oh, you got my sweet things, you got something right now, daddy?
That not show you, dog. Bad dog.
Why am I not surprised?
And she have a Jamaican style, dog.
She kind of look, she born in, them say she born in Birmingham, but I think them said them think she have Jamaican relative, something like that.
She bad,
dog. You want me to know she bad? You say Black Panther, she make a song named Black Panther, she aim the drum. Someone knows she bad, dog. Someone knows that song is that bad, dog.
Oh God, man, they get a terrible. Play back.
Valentine's, look me in the eyes and tell me that is lies. But you won't, cause you already know that you're a joke and you're broke. You ain't got enough dough to be involved. You trap, mute it. Head stuck on football, boot it. I don't know why you really wanna do this, but R.I.P. to your music. Way too up, no peace, no usage. You're a little bag, beggars from choosers. Hitting with a new thing, call it exclusive. Don't need back in, I could do it in acoustic. Raggle, wax, or Billie Jean that gal, moonwalk on her.
You know Billie Jean that gal, you know what I mean? Billie Jean that gal. Moonwalk. Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson was the greatest pop artist. Kill anybody that she
move that girl.
You get bad up. Y'all get a slap on the head back. Back get
Yo, that girl right, gonna do some kind of military war.
What's she now?
Yo,
Papa she now.
American them.
What you know she say? You should say. Give a girl a slap on her head back.
Are you with that girl?
I'm telling you.
And she a flicky in the Jamaican song like.
I'm telling you.
They don't want it with the cream, man.
The girl are terrible, you're bad.
All these porcupines, why am I not surprised? Who got the V broken on Valentine's? Look me in the eyes and tell me that is lies. But you won't, cause you already know that you're a joke and you're broke. You ain't got enough dough to be involved. You get trap, mute it. Head stuck on football, boot it. I don't know why you really wanna do this, but R.I.P. to your music. Way too up, no peace, no usage. You're a little bag, beggars from choosers. Hitting with a new thing, call it exclusive. Don't need back in, I could do it in acoustic. Raggle, wax, or Billie Jean that gal, moonwalk on her. She will get bad up. Y'all get a slap on her head back. Neck back get turn up. You're a big girl now, stand up. Don't call for me, get rang up. How do you mean that ain't all fibs? Swear on your life now, I know. Tell the truth, but you stop yapping away. Like so much you give your mattress away. You can feel me like the clap in the bass. Bars hurt like a slap in the face. What? I'ma do some damage today. Shopping bags, I got 10 bags in the safe. You need Jesus, baby, you need rebuking. Oh Lord, get to grab in the face. Jesus, please forgive me for the sin. But Jesus, please don't mean that I believe him. It's creeping up and karma that's been given. I leave him shaking like the little Kimmin. Do this for my sisters or my women. It could be genetics or the denim. I'ma keep it shining, keep on winning. So move for me with your insidious spirit.
Idiot.
The lips together.
Idiot, boy.
Idiot.
Tell me look by her, yo. And tell me love with her to my she have a gangster flow, but she still look sexy. She have a gangster, but she still have a sexy thing.
I never know so them build them shoes are for woman to dog. But a woman version this is but
oh, you know that okay shoe that?
This is a Air Force one that
I don't know that, I don't know what I'm going dog.
I have the brown on over here.
Yeah? I don't know what I'm going dog.
I want to have a zip in the middle.
Yeah, zip in the middle.
I was never into you, but I made you bend over like Western. But you're a virgin. Don't try act like you're perfect. Get a 9 to 5, it's not working. Big mouth, must have wait to see a surgeon. I've been on the road, they're still learning. Fake news, remix the old version. These bars here, I got them all nervous. Spin a girl upside, you topsy-turvy. Disrespect the queen, you will get a mortgage. You can't even afford to get a mortgage. Too hard, really, I'm scorching, I'ma torch him. You are dead as a corpse with the mortgage. You large, not you're smaller than a dwarf is. Look at the time, you sure you can afford it.
Yo,
send you that.
you never like that. The way she do a movement, like. You know, like a.
No, I'm not sure.
Oh.
I heard your new tune, I just paused
it, eject it, and bring it wet.
Black and style.
Lock money up front, just bring it. No girl can sit in this chair, don't speak up the language. Literature, no beef, got no stake in the house. I do it big, there, baby, a mouse when I bite it, hurt you. Too fake in your mouth, I'm worth $500,000.
Chop up like a airplane flight.
My brand don't try wreck that. When I pull up, it's a rap, no Xmas. You'll feel it in your belly like you're pregnant. Lick again, step back,
just no.
Nonsense, bars knock 'em out, now they ain't conscious. Going on rude, going on obnoxious. Punchline, put up them out like boxes. I see me, and I see you too. You're annoying, like when I went in my iPhone and I seen you too. They won't bark, tell them woof, woof. They want send them shots, tell them.
You see, Teflon, even though Teflon I'm a fuss, right? But with Teflon done, I'm more of a girly. She can rap too and she can sing. That's why I'm put her in front. But she are more like a hardcore gangster thing with it. Teflon not bad with the gangster thing, but she more
baby mother. Terrible them.
Yeah, she more hardcore, you see me? Hardcore.
So like she rough any man.
So I call like a spice. You see me?
Yeah man, like she have aromatic pan her.
I mean that. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction.
Bad, man,
I think about that.
Terrible. Dog, I not even know if I said that. She's terrible, you.
Bad dog, I'm telling you.
Man, she come like say the army be like. Man, how time she come out of
her? I say, yo, if she come out ready, you know that, say, yo, box up a girl.
Yo. Yeah, head back that. Hold that girl.
Yo, she said Billie Jean that girl. Yeah, Billie Jean moonwalk that girl. You see me?
That girl is terrible.
Bad man, body of fuck. You see me? R.I.P. The song name to you know?
Yes, dead boy dead. Tell you gotta come to kill everything.
Alright, you see this time first reaction to
she bad, no,
Lady Leshurr, you see me? Tell me, yo, cause just like when me just listen to her, man, I say, yo, boy, that girl is body of fuck. Man, me shot. You want my first reaction to her, that? I'm shot that. I said, fuck. I said, what the fuck is this? What is? I mean, I expect mine. Tell the truth. See, you never listen to you. We never listen to UK music, never before. So, the hear UK music kind of different. They say, but them music we don't play UK all along, whatever, no? People know dancehall and people know reggae and hip hop and all.
The girl have the trailer mix. She have the rap mix, the Jamaican mix,
and the UK.
And the UK.
Yeah, the UK. Them call them grime. Them call it grime.
Oh, I never really understand where.
Yeah, it's like somebody says like African dancehall and UK flavor.
That's like one of them. It's terrible.
Terrible man, bad man.
Bad man.
Alright guys, at the end of the reaction, like, share,
subscribe. She's a golden, so touch the golden bell.
Yeah, just like Lady Leshurr, touch the bell because she's golden, you see me? Peace out.